How do fire alarm systems work? A fire alarm system's main purpose is to detect fires and quickly notify both the occupants of the building and emergency services from a central station monitoring service. A fire alarm system also monitors itself, identifying the location and reason for the alarms and detecting problems with connections and wiring that might prevent the system from working properly. A fire alarm system has four primary functions: detection, alerts, monitoring, and controlling. A fire alarm system consists of many components, including fire alarm control panel, initiation devices such as pull stations, smoke and heat detectors, duct and beam detectors, water flow and tamper switches, notification devices including strobes and horn strobes, dialer and communicator, and NAC power supplies. Sometimes, building codes require the integration between the fire alarm system and other technology. Other systems, such as integration with HVAC systems, door locks, and security systems, are optional ideas. While these systems have had their own independent communication in the past, they can now operate on a shared infrastructure, saving money and streamlining processes. Examples of systems commonly interfaced with the fire alarm system are extinguishing systems, such as automatic sprinkler and clean agent systems, elevator recall, kitchen hood suppression systems, HVAC and damper control, door locks and release, security systems, mass notification systems, and bidirectional amplification, BDA. Visual inspections of your system and its components will vary according to NFPA 72 and your local authority having jurisdiction, AHJ. Your control panel should be checked weekly to confirm that the system is working correctly and is in normal condition. Testing should be completed annually at a minimum, per NFPA 72, but can vary based on your insurance and the local AHJ. Control equipment shall be tested to confirm proper receipt of alarm, supervisory, and trouble signals. All initiating devices, secondary power supplies, and audible/visual devices shall be checked for proper operation. You must maintain the components of your fire alarm system according to the manufacturer's recommendations. How frequently maintenance is performed also depends on the environmental conditions as well as the kind of equipment you have. How often the system components are cleaned depends on their location and the manufacturer's recommendations. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions regarding your fire alarm system, please feel free to reach out to our team of experts.